Okay, you guys, really quickly, hopefully, I'm going to talk about why I personally prefer the GoPro over the Insta360. So immediately, GoPro has a way better replacement plan program than the Insta360. GoPro has a no questions replacement policy, so if your camera drops or cracks or whatever the case may reason, whatever's going on, you send it back, they send a new replacement, you pay a small deductible, that's it. No explanations, no questions asked. As long as you're a part of the subscription, which is like maybe $100 a year. So Insta360, I believe I looked it up today, only offers a one-time replacement, like lifetime warranty. So with the purchase of one Insta360, then you get one replacement. That's it, and that's all. They do have a like repair system where you can send it in for repairs and etc. I didn't really look too far into that details. I just don't like that concept. GoPro simply, boom, replaces it, and I ain't gotta worry about it. In all my years of having a GoPro, sorry if you guys can't hear me because Bart is about to go by, so I'll just get a little louder. In all my years of GoPro, I've only had to replace it one time, and it was because I used a like faulty thing and didn't put it on right, and the motherfucker just fell off. So yeah, but I sent it in, got it replaced. Now, as far as the securing options, sorry, the sun is in my eyes, so I'm gonna put this down. I'm not trying to like be secret, but what was I saying? Oh, there are different options. So I know a lot of people really like the Insta360 because it has that invisible stick option. That view is epic, like attaching it to the back side and you get that full view there. But if you're gonna do that, understand that you're increasing like the surface area of what the wind is going to attack. So like if you keep punching something, it's going to get weak over time. So that's why I believe there's a lot of slip and falls and whatever accidents with the Insta360 cameras because of placement and their the way they're secured or the way they just put them on there. If you're not zip tying extrally, and I mean doing some extra cosmetic type of situation to secure it, I wouldn't recommend it if you ride at extreme high speeds. When I say extreme high speeds, anything over the speed limit, I wouldn't recommend it. However, with GoPro, they've been around longer, they've had a longer time to master a better securing technique with their different attachments. So I just feel really confident in attaching all of my cameras, or both of my GoPro cameras, to any attachment anywhere on my bike without worrying about it falling off and then me having to deal with a replacement issue again. But if I do, I don't have to worry about it just being a one-time thing. So that's the main reason why I really love them. So while I have you guys here, I actually want to show you guys where I mainly place my GoPro, because I get asked that quite a lot. And I think it's really because I have a 360 camera, so it moves around a lot. But I'm not using the 360 camera right now. I'm actually using the new GoPro 12. So I have that sticky piece mounted right here in the center. And I just use, yeah, the piece that goes right into there. And I literally just slide it on in there, and then boom, you get that centerpiece of me. And then typically I have my 360 camera, so as you guys can see in my video, you don't really, depending on the angle I choose, you don't see my windshield in it because it can get this entire view from right there. A new angle spot I'll use this suction cup, and you'll see some dirty marks of it somewhere on here. I'll put the suction cup here. That'll give that fuller view from like out here type of look. And then it still has the whatever, the view, the scenic. Another place I've tried putting it, I've had it here before. I don't think I've posted that video where I had it here and it showed this angle. I have used the suction cup and put it here, This is really good if you're into like cornerings, because it shows the front of your wheel and the view that you're going if you're cornering and stuff like that. Yeah, so that's why honestly I'm team GoPro. The 360 Max, I love it. The GoPro 12, I love it. It's my first like their regular action camera without 360, so I love it. And quite frankly, because I don't have to edit anything in 360, it makes the videos a lot easier because everything's already just straight shot. I don't have to edit the 360 and what I want to show you guys and stuff like that. So, but keep in mind with the 360 camera, you do have the option of using just one camera at a time. You don't have to use it in 360 all the time. From a 360 camera to a regular camera, I really do enjoy the longer life battery for sure. But I do need to get an extra battery and a battery pack for the GoPro 12 because the batteries are different from the GoPro 12 and the GoPro 360 Max. So that might kind of suck, but it is what it is, and they're two different cameras, so I'm not really mad or bummed about that at all. I just need to get the pieces. That's it. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm just gonna kind of wrap it up right here. And if you have any other questions about the GoPro or my bike or where I mounted or how I turn the camera around, it's in the GoPro Quick app. You go there to edit and you literally you can render your video and place the camera wherever you want it to view, save it there, and you download it.